At our firm, we specialize in trust administration, estate planning, and trust litigation, and also real estate. We like helping people who need to put together their wills and trusts for their family plan. We like helping people when someone does eventually pass away or becomes incapacitated, and that trust needs to be administered with the help of a professional.
So a lot of times clients come in and they think it's going to be a very difficult and drawn out process. But so many times people leave just feeling very comforted, knowing it's actually not going to take that long and it's not as complicated as one might think.
Life's triggering events that would say, hey, it's time to get an estate plan put into effect would be that you're going to get married, you're going to have children, and then you're thinking of buying a home. Those are kind of the life events that happen that it's a good idea to get an estate plan put into effect, because otherwise you may end up in probate, and that's a system that people generally don't want to go through here in California because of its time, its expense, and its publicity.
Planning one's estate is not always the funnest thing to do and not something you always want to be thinking about, but when you take the time to do it, you're just going to feel so much better. And that brings me a lot of happiness just seeing how people respond to that and seeing that blessing in their life, that they're set to go and they can feel comfortable. You know, whatever happens in the future, they're in a good place and they know that our firm will help them out. And that's just something I really enjoy seeing.
Something that's unique about our firm is that we do no-cost consultations for all areas of estates and trusts. So a lot of times you're going to pay a couple of $100s to go and talk with an attorney about the issue that you're having, but that's not the case here. We will do a no-cost consultation. Quite frankly, even if it's just getting some answers, we provide that.
I'm going to break things down for you. It's not just a very short, yeah, I can help you, this is how much it costs. You're going to walk away with a better understanding than you'll get at most firms about what's available to you.
Our firm is one of the largest estate planning firms here in the Sacramento area and in California with the number of clients that we've been able to help. Our attorneys have decades of experience in putting together estate plans, in administering these estate plans, and in litigating them.
So by having a trust in place at any time, it makes sure that your wishes are down, that state statutes are not controlling of what might happen to your estate, and it keeps it out of the court process, keeps it private, makes it much easier for your family and loved ones to receive what you want them to receive, and hopefully make the whole grieving process easier too, knowing that they don't have to go through court just to receive what you really wanted them to get.
So if you're a client that needs to set up an estate plan, and needs to administer a trust or administer someone's estate through probate, or to litigate a trust or estate, call our firm. We are specialists in this area. This is what we do. This is all that we do, and we would love to help you.